হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মাই মহিলাসকলক অপমান কৰা নচলিব হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ
পেট্ৰল নালাগে এনেকে মাৰি পেলাই দিবা দেই ৰ'দত ধৰিব নোৱাৰিব
হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা লে হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ মহিলাক অপমান কৰা হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা গো বেক মহিলাক অপমান কৰা হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ মহিলাক অপমান কৰা হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ মহিলাক অপমান কৰা হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা লে হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ হিমন্ত বিশ্ব শৰ্মা মুৰ্দাবাদ
Given by the Chief Minister of Assam, he had actually said that people who got jobs, women especially who got jobs during the 2001 to 2015 Congress regime, were taken by compromising their dignity, which is completely not acceptable, and we cannot agree that a chief minister of a state can actually comment like that or report or give a remark like that from a stage. If from a stage during an election rally, we all know that there's a panchayat election going on in Assam now. There's a campaigning going on, and he used this particular piece of information from a dais which was put up for election rally. If we know that this matter is a very sensitive matter when it comes to dignity of a woman, because we all have mothers and sisters at home, we all have people who are working in government services in our homes. So it is basically him questioning every woman's dignity who is working who is doing a government service. Mr. Chief Minister, he basically what he did was he said that this information was from Biplab Sharma's committee's report. Okay, understood that it was there in a report, but after that report, if he knew about the report, he should have used it in a proper way. There is law standing there to take its job. There are other ways that he could have brought that news. But why in an election rally? Why did he use it for his political mileage? If he thinks that by doing this he is going to gain from this, he is completely mistaken, because he has targeted the women of Assam. Each and every woman in Assam, whoever has a government job, should question.
If he's burning kapadoke lalo, Himonto Biswa Sharma panchayat election dobom Assam along asiala kaninje je ala Congress government ahot sakuri kilong an arlo so bimaratum ke ala tum ke thekere lapen ke tangka ki pipen sot kali akapre ka bidi pen pulote lalo akhe no alam lo lasi no nili tum Chief Minister of Assam Himonto Biswa Sharma phanili tum karju ke ate hala so Congress government ahot asot ke lang ta nije minister lo inot ke thek ser but a powerful minister lo and they alang homosti mata ba all Assam da mela education minister da enlo ala kapre ka minister puta do lang hala so and they alang ala hai tuma aluso ana tuma phan Assam along saturi ki pian den ala manelo meki jang no si alang long la man ta meki jang do ini nije minister hoy etu time ot did he sleep with anyone and has given the job today we women are questioning him to hetu amojodi hi gompai kyo kwane lalo nilitum la si all Assam Mohila Congress in ben nilitum condemn lo la Himonto Biswa Sharma alang la so lama bangke non 24 hours pen alang map hang nai ekete pura okomia mohila hotok I mane apology koribo lage hetu ami besarisu ekane aji program to hetu rakha hoise thank you